Hello good people, and welcome back to another video. This time we are going to talk about subject and predicate in some simple sentences. Let's get started. In a sentence, the subject is going to be who or what the sentence is about. And so since this is a who or a what, the subject is going to be a noun. So it could be about a person, it could be about a place, it could be about an animal, it could be about some sort of thing, like some sort of object, but the subject is going to be a noun. The predicate, that is what the subject is doing. So this will include the action or the being. So the predicate is our verb that is in the sentence, and then depending if we're talking about the complete predicate, it will be the other items that are along with the verb. So again, that predicate, that's our verb, our action or being. So we also have something called simple subject versus complete subject. So the simple subject would be just the single noun that the sentence is about. And the complete subject would be that simple noun that the subject is about, plus any describing words. I'll give an example. In this simple sentence, the tall girl jumped high, girl is our simple subject. This sentence is about a girl, so this is our noun, this is the simple subject. However, we also know that the girl is tall. So if I'm talking about the complete subject, it would be the tall girl. So our simple subject is girl, the complete subject is the tall girl. Simple predicate versus complete predicate, this is a little bit like our talk with the simple subject versus complete subject. The predicate is the action or the being, so this is the verb in the sentence. So if we're talking the simple predicate, it is going to be just that single verb. But if we're talking about the complete predicate, it will be the verb plus the other information that follows. If I use the same example sentence that I did before of the tall girl jumped high, our simple predicate would be jumped. This is the verb, this is the action in this sentence. But we also have a word here that describes the height of the jump, and that is high. So the complete predicate would include that simple verb jumped plus high. For jumped high. Okay, here's another example sentence. The big brown dog ran across the yard. So first let's focus on our subject, and I'll circle that in red. So this sentence is about a dog, that is our noun, so dog is our simple subject. But if it asked us to provide the complete subject, I would include dog, but I would also include the words that describe the dog. This is a big brown dog. So big brown dog is the complete subject, dog is the simple subject. And now if it asks us about the predicate, we have the rest of the sentence, ran across the yard. So ran is our action, so ran is our simple predicate. But the other words that are included with this that tell us where this action takes place, those form the complete predicate. So if it asked for the simple predicate, it would be ran. If it asked for the complete predicate, it would be ran across the yard. Here's another one. The tall, masted ship pulled slowly into the harbor. I'll start out with the subject. This sentence is about a ship, so that is our simple subject. However, if it asked me for the complete subject, I would include that it is a tall, masted ship. Then, let's think about the predicate. So what's the action here? Pulled. That is our verb, that's our action. So the simple predicate will be the word pulled, but if it asked for the complete predicate, it would be pulled slowly into the harbor. Okay, now for a little recap. First of all, the subject, that is going to be a noun. It is going to be who or what the sentence is about. The predicate, that is going to be a verb. It is going to be the action or the being. So if it's asking for the simple subject, that's just going to be the one word, the one noun that the sentence is about. But if it's asking for the complete subject, that will be the noun plus any adjectives that describe that noun. Remember, girl would have been the simple subject, tall girl would have been the complete subject, dog would have been the simple subject, big brown dog would have been the complete subject, and ship would have been the simple subject, but tall masted ship, that's an awesome ship, would be the complete subject. And lastly, our predicate. Remember that the predicate is going to be the verb. If it's the simple predicate, it would be the one single verb, like jumped, ran, or pulled. But when we have the complete predicate, that's going to be the verb plus the other words that describe the action. All right, that's it. Hope you have a great day. Hope that helps. We'll see you soon.